Right, so we're under a blanket, as am I too, because no one to come and see us. So I'm trying to get under the blanket. I'm not really comfortable. Buster! Where am I, boy? Where am I? There I am! I was hiding from you! Ah, that's funny. He was so confused. What a loser. Buster was confused. Oh, that's my shirt. The door. Go. Get out. Get out. You stupid dog. Get out. Go. Out. Get out. This is prank number 2 on my dog. I'm hiding under a blanket on the floor, and you can see Buster! Buster! Buster!